When your hair feels like it's giving up on you. Have you ever stood in the shower, heart sinking as strands of your hair clung to your hands and shoulders? Or brushed your hair only to find a mini mountain of strands left behind? If yes, you're not alone. For so many women, hair fall isn't just a physical issue, it hits deeply, affecting confidence, mood, and even self-worth. Maybe you've spent hours researching, buying expensive shampoos, or trying magical oils that promise everything and deliver nothing. The truth is, hair fall can feel like a silent battle, one that chips away at your spirit every day. And when you don't see improvement, the hopelessness creeps in. But here's what I want you to know. There is hope. You're not powerless. With a little consistency, compassion for yourself, and the right natural care, your hair can bounce back stronger, fuller, and more radiant than before. Let's talk honestly, like two friends over chai. I'll walk you through why this is happening and what you can do starting today. Hair fall isn't always about the products you use. It's often a symptom of something deeper going on inside your body or your lifestyle. Here are some common science-backed causes of hair fall in women. 1. Hormonal imbalance. Whether it's due to PCOS, thyroid issues, postpartum changes, or menopause, hormones play a big role in hair health. When estrogen levels drop or androgens rise, it can shrink hair follicles and cause excessive shedding. 2. Nutritional deficiencies. Iron, zinc, biotin, and vitamin D are crucial nutrients for healthy hair. Even if you're eating enough, poor absorption or restrictive diets can leave your hair starving for essentials. Chronic stress, yes, even emotional burnout, can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to noticeable shedding after a few weeks or months. This is known as telogen effluvium. Heat styling, chemical dyes, tight hairstyles, and sulfate-based shampoos can damage your scalp and weaken hair over time. If your scalp isn't healthy due to dandruff, buildup, or infections, your hair doesn't stand a chance. Think of the scalp as the soil. If the soil isn't nourished, nothing grows well. These remedies are gentle, science-backed, and most importantly, they work with your body, not against it. Start incorporating them into your daily or weekly routine and watch your hair begin to shift from shedding to thriving. Yes, it smells, but yes, it works. Onion juice contains sulfur, which helps in rebuilding hair follicles and increasing blood circulation to the scalp. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Dermatology showed that applying onion juice twice a week led to significant hair regrowth in participants. To use it, grate or blend one onion and strain the juice. Apply it to your scalp using a cotton ball or your fingertips. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Here's a tip. Add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil to reduce the smell and enhance hair growth. Aloe Vera is a natural adaptogen. It soothes an irritated scalp, clears buildup, and balances oil production. It also contains proteolytic enzymes that help repair dead skin cells, allowing hair follicles to thrive. How to use. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Massage it directly onto the scalp. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use every alternate day for best results. Bonus. You can mix aloe vera with coconut oil for a deep, nourishing overnight mask once a week. This age-old remedy is a powerhouse combo rich in vitamin B, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that reduce hair fall and promote new growth. How to use. Heat 10 to 15 curry leaves in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil until they crackle. Let it cool, strain, and massage the oil into your scalp. Leave overnight or for at least 1 hour before washing. Use twice a week. Pro tip. Warm oil penetrates better and feels heavenly like a spa at home. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and nicotinic acid, both of which are known to strengthen hair shafts and prevent breakage. How to use. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight. Grind into a smooth paste in the morning. Apply to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, then rinse with water or a mild shampoo. Use twice a week for visible results. Note, it may feel sticky, but the results are worth it. Soft, shiny, and less prone to fall. Scalp massage stimulate and de-stress. This isn't just relaxing, it's therapeutic. Massaging your scalp increases blood flow, delivers nutrients to hair follicles, and encourages hair growth. How to do it. Use your fingertips, not nails, to massage your scalp in gentle circular motions. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes daily, ideally before bed. Use a nourishing oil like rosemary, almond, or bringrage for added benefits. Bonus. It helps reduce stress, a hidden culprit behind hair fall. Herbal Rinse with green tea or hibiscus. Green tea contains catechins that help reduce DHT, a hormone linked to hair fall. Hibiscus, on the other hand, is rich in amino acids that nourish roots and encourage thick hair. How to use: brew 1 cup of green tea or hibiscus tea. Let it cool. After shampooing, pour this as a final rinse. Leave it on, no need to rinse out. It's like giving your scalp a nutrient-packed tonic. Your 7-day hair rescue plan. Here's how to combine these remedies into a simple weekly plan. Day: morning, evening Monday, scalp massage, onion juice; Tuesday, aloe vera, fenugreek mask; Wednesday, scalp massage, curry leaf oil; Thursday, green tea rinse, relax and oil massage; Friday, aloe vera, onion juice; Saturday, hibiscus rinse, warm oil massage; Sunday, fenugreek mask, rest and gratitude. Customize based on your routine. What matters most is consistency and self-care. A loving reminder: you are not your hair. Beautiful soul, your worth isn't tied to your hair or how perfect you look on the outside. Hair fall can feel overwhelming, but it's also your body's way of asking for care, balance, and love. Start small. Maybe just try one remedy today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The first step can be as simple as a warm oil massage or drinking more water. Healing happens in layers, so be patient and kind to yourself through the process. You deserve to look in the mirror and smile, not because your hair is flawless, but because you are resilient, radiant, and healing. Take the first step today. Choose one remedy and do it tonight. Bookmark this guide and revisit it throughout the week. And most importantly, don't give up. Your hair story is not over. It's just beginning to glow. With love and support, your Glownest Wellness Guide.